In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside your Wix website editor, you want to click on this plus icon over here on the left where it says Add Elements, and you want to go to the search box and you want to type in table. So here you will see it's gonna display a table over here, and then you can see this info box. So it says to add a table to your site, first get the CMS. Okay, so click on that over here, and then in case you haven't done that, click on get started. And then where it says use the CMS, easily manage your site content, you want to click on add the site over here, and this will basically start adding the CMS. So as you can see over here, you also get a pop-up once this is happening, and when it loads, there we go. Here you have a bunch of different presets. Okay, so you can see it has like a theme, courses, real estate, job listings, etc. And then here you can basically just add in whatever you want. There's like item list, projects, etc. But if you actually want tables, you want to just basically close this down, and then you want to again click on this plus, and then you want to go to search, type in table, click on the table over here, and you're going to see a bunch of different tables. Now, these are all the tables that are available over here. You can just select the one that you'd like. So, for example, let's say I would like this table over here. You want to click on it, and just like this, it's been added to your site, and you can customize it the way you want to. So, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.